Welcome to Module 9. We have one main module to go. Oh, wow. It's been such a good journey with you. I hope you've been learning great and amazing things so far. Let's get into Module 9. In this module, we'll be talking about an interesting topic, which is AI in content writing. We'll look at what AI can and cannot do, prompt writing for content creators, avoiding plagiarism and AI detection issues. We also look at an example of human plus AI workflow. I love this quote. It states, "The future of AI isn't human versus AI, it's human with AI." So do not think AI is here to take over anything. Just think about how you can collaborate with AI to produce amazing content piece. AI in content writing. AI is most effective when used as a support system, not a replacement for human thinking and creativity. If you want to get the best out of AI, use it as a support tool. Do not use it as your main tool. You're your main tool. You should be your main tool. Don't let AI take over your content writing. Take over your content writing, but simply use AI as your support tool. Now let's talk about what AI can do. AI can help you generate topic ideas and outlines. AI can draft content based on prompt. We will look at some prompt examples later on in this module. AI can summarize information. Give AI lots of information. It's going to summarize it within seconds. AI can help you check grammar and spelling within your content. AI can suggest headlines and email subject lines. I'm an email marketer and I use AI to give me examples of email subject lines for my newsletters. Now you can use AI for distance. AI is fast and efficient, which makes it useful for brainstorming, generating outlines, and drafting. Again, you're using AI as a support tool, not the main tool. Now let's talk about what AI cannot do. AI cannot understand emotions in a human way. I know you might want to argue that what if you prompt ChatGPT well? What if you give it or talk in a human language? I bet you it's still going to fail in some areas. So AI cannot understand emotions in a human way. AI cannot verify facts automatically. You need to verify whatever fact AI gives to you. AI cannot think critically or independently. Do you know why? Because AI depends on the data it gets from search engines, from sources out there. That's how AI gets its data. So AI cannot think critically or independently. AI actually depends on you. AI depends on whatever you feed it. So imagine you're depending on what depends on you. Isn't that a problem? I think that is a problem. AI cannot fully understand specific context. For instance, AI cannot fully understand the origin of Nigeria. It cannot really describe it to you. It cannot describe the culture of the Yoruba people. You can't tell AI to give you a particular context that your grandmother would be the best person to give to you. So, yeah, AI cannot fully understand specific context. AI cannot make ethical decisions. It cannot because it's robotic. AI predicts text patterns. It does not understand the meaning truly. I'm not saying AI doesn't understand. It understands, but it does not truly understand meaning. Now, AI assists with writing tasks, generating outline, but you as the human, you remain responsible for accuracy, for originality, and for ethics. Now let's get to a more exciting part of this module, prompt writing for content creators. AI tools work based on prompts. It works on whatever you feed it. And the quality of the output depends heavily on the clarity of the input. If AI does not understand your context, it's going to give you rubbish. So you need to learn how to prompt AI well so it gives you the kind of output you're looking for. And what is a prompt? A prompt is a set of instructions given to an AI tool to guide its response. In the other slides, we will look at some examples of AI prompt writing. When it comes to prompt writing, I want you to understand that the stronger the prompt, the more useful the output. So here are some prompt elements to use. Target audience, purpose of the content, tone of voice, whether you want conversational, motivational, inspirational, analytical. You also need to put into consideration the length requirement, the platform type, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, script writing, whatever platform, and the format instructions. AI performs best when it's guided clearly. So you don't want to give AI a confused input because it will give you a confused output. Now, good prompts are clear, specific, detailed, and context based. Let's look at these examples. This is an example of a weak prompt. Write an article about freelancing. You're just telling ChatGPT, for instance, oh yeah, give me an article about freelancing. Okay. It's going to give you an article, sure, but if you don't prompt it for that, it's just going to give you what you asked for. Now, this is a stronger prompt. Write a 600-word blog post for beginner freelancers explaining 3 common mistakes and how to avoid them. Use a conversational tone and include practical examples. This is an amazing prompt because you've considered the target audience, which is beginner freelancers. You've also considered the purpose of the content, informational. You've considered the tone of voice, conversational. You've considered the length requirement, 600 words. You've considered the platform type, blog post. You've considered the format instructions, including practical examples. Now, with AI comes some problems. Plagiarism. And this is not just specific to AI, to all the writers out there. If you're copying somebody's work without giving them the proper citation, that is plagiarism. Word for word, not paraphrase it correctly, not give it the right citation, that's what's called plagiarism. And plagiarism is so big, it's a big deal. So even if AI generates text, you are responsible for ensuring originality. Plagiarism occurs when you present another person's work or ideas as your own without proper acknowledgement. So you need to acknowledge it. If you're taking from your author, your favorite author, if you're taking, even if it's a line from the Bible, if you're taking a line from somebody else's content, make sure you quote, you cite, you acknowledge the person. Now, here is how to avoid plagiarism when using AI. Use AI for brainstorming. That's why you can't use AI to write your content because you risk plagiarism. So use AI for brainstorming. Add your insight. Do not copy and paste whatever examples AI has given to you. Add your perspective, add your examples, add your insights. Run plagiarism checks. Use plagiarism tools like Turnitin or Grammarly. There are other plagiarism tools you can use that will help you. So run plagiarism checks and rewrite AI generated content. Do not copy and paste whatever AI has given to you because trust me, I know what AI writing looks like. I do. And cite sources properly. If you want to avoid plagiarism, make sure you cite sources properly. Do not depend on the sources AI gives to you because AI can make a mistake. So learn to double check. Use multiple sources and cite them properly. What are the risks of misusing AI? Submitting AI output without editing. And I don't want to say that in your course project, please. I don't want to see any AI generated content without you editing it. Do not copy large portions directly. And if you do not fact check AI content, you risk misusing AI. And like I said, how to avoid plagiarism, use AI for brainstorming. Don't copy and paste. Add your insight, run plagiarism checks, rewrite AI generated content, cite your sources properly. Let's talk about AI detection issues. And to be honest with you, the best way to avoid this is genuine human editing. And I would say genuine human writing. Just write your content. AI can generate ideas for you. Yes. AI can generate your outlines. Yes. But please write your content. Don't let AI write for you. Even if AI writes for you, edit it. Look through it. Double check. Edit it. Another tip is to add your voice and original insight, and avoid submitting raw AI output. I know that AI detection tools are not always perfectly accurate, but remember that the goal is not to beat AI detection tools, the goal is authentic writing. So, in all your content, in all you write, in your write ups, in everything that you do, make sure that you maintain your authenticity. Now, we have 5 steps in this workflow. Step 1, you as a human define the topic, audience, and goal. Step 2, AI assists you with brainstorming or generating an outline. Step 3, you draft and you refine the content. Step 4, AI supports you with editing and readability. Step 5, you as the human review, fact check, and finalize. You can use this workflow anywhere. This is a good human plus AI workflow because it tells you that you and AI can work together. You do the work, AI does its part. So there is that balance of creativity and AI efficiency. Now let's wrap this module up. In this module, we've seen how AI works well with humans. So you're using AI efficiency plus human creativity. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a substitute for your insight, creativity, and responsibility. You're still responsible for giving us credible information, good content, quality content. AI can support you, but it should not do the work for you. And today is the last day to submit your course project. I hope I'm not going to see AI doing the work for you. I look forward to reading all your amazing pieces of content. See you in the next module.